Turkish get-ups are a really cool move, but are a little more advanced. So we're going to do half of it to really focus on the abs. First round, we won't use any weights. So you're going to come onto your back. I'm going to have my left leg out, left arm out, 45-degree angle. Right foot is planted with the knee bent. My right hand will be holding a weight next time. So imagine that, so you can prepare. I'm going to grow my shoulder down into the earth. So it's kind of packed down. So if somebody was pushing down, it would go straight down. It wouldn't be wobbly. It'd be nice and solid here once you have weight. So from here, I'm going to press up onto my left elbow, looking at my hand the whole time because it'll be holding a weight. And then I'm going to press all the way up. Come back to the elbow, and then come all the way down. That's one. We're going to do 8 on each side. 1, no, this is 2, I'm sorry. So you're going to be pressing that weight